What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. So Karekajnr here. So today we will be looking into how to connect a desktop computer. So yeah, let's get into it. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like the video and leave a comment down below. Let's get into it. So as you can see here, I have all my components that I'll need to connect my computer, and I have the screen, the CPU, and the wires and the cables. I have my keyboard and I have my mouse. So first things first. So yeah, let's see. So you can start with any sequence, but let's see. So you take your mouse and then look for, on your CPU, look for the port, for the USB port. Like this one, it's labeled blue right here, and yeah, connect this cable to it. And then you can take your keyboard cable, and if it is USB, you can get it in there, but if it has this other port, you can connect it to this port. So connect it there. Okay, now that those two are connected, we move to the next part, where we will connect the cable for, so here we have a VGA cable. So this is the VGA is visual graphics array. So we will be connecting this one and then connecting it to the desktop. So take this cable and connect it to the CPU. So there is this port which is labeled blue. It has blue marks. So there is another one for pink, and there is another one here. So you can see the number of pins here. They are around 1, 2, 3, around 9 pins. So you will enter the pins according to the relating number of pins. So you just come and insert it here. So when you insert that way, there are these things around here. So these are meant to tighten the grip that it holds. You can close them like I'm doing right now. So okay, I've finished. So to make sure that it is stable, you can try to pull it out, and as you can see, it is lifting the CPU with it, so that means it is stable. So the next thing is, if you have other devices like a speaker or earphones and all that, you will connect them to these ports. So the next thing right now, since we don't have those ports, we will take this VGA cable, the other part. So the first part we've connected it to the CPU, the other part we will connect it to the monitor right here, or the visual display unit. So let's do that. So you are supposed to take this end of the VGA cable and find on the back of the monitor which part has a cable or a port that is like that one. So, and as you can see here, the first one we connected, if you remember, we connected to the blue one, and right here we will come and connect it to this other blue one. So yeah, just insert it right there, and you repeat the process that we did in the other one. You will just tighten the screws, and yeah, so you enter that, and then you tighten the screws right here. So yeah, okay, now that the screws are tight, as you can see, I'm pulling it out and it cannot move. So you will just place this upright. Let's stay like that for some time now. So the next thing, since we have connected all the components, is you take the power cable. So first we will connect the power cable that belongs to this, as you can see, this one, they are different. So there are power cables that don't have this thing right here, but there are other that have. So just take the power cable, as you can see, this is mine here, and connect it to the power port. So most desktops don't have this one here. So let me show you what most desktops have. So as you can see right here, most desktop have this type of so it has three holes in it, and yeah, you connect it like this. But whichever you have, you just connect it to the power, to the cable that to the port that it relates to. So once you have connected the power cable to the CPU, you will now go and look for the power cable for the monitor. So yeah, so here it is. As you can see, we have it here. There it is. So as you can see, it's the same as the other one that I had showed you earlier. So you look for the port where this is supposed to go into, and there it is. And now you align this one as these three have been aligned. So you just insert it in there. It's supposed to go in well if you have put it correctly. There we go. So once that is all fixed, because there is nothing else we will be adding to this monitor, you can put it up right now. There we go. So yeah, so since we have our setup now is almost ready, so you just need to put this one right there. And then, so once you have your setup like this, you need the last step now is to take your power cable, the other ends of your power cable, so they look like this. Most of them should look like this. Here I have two ends, so one is for the desktop and the other one is for the monitor. So go to your power source. Right here I am using a surge protector, so it is advisable that you use a surge protector. So you just insert it into the surge protector. Okay, once it is inserted like that, so you just insert them like that. So once they are inserted like that, and you have made sure that your setup is ready, you will just have to power on the main part. So the main switch, okay, it is. So once the main switch is on, you will come here and switch on this one, the individual. So since those are on, as you can see, the monitor is already on because it's connected directly. And now to switch on your computer fully, you will come and look for the power button, which is this one for this computer. So here you just press on it, and if it should come on, and it should show a right if it has been connected properly. If it has not, it will not show a light, as you can see here. So you just come and switch it on, and as you can see, there are lights now because it has been properly connected. And as you can see here, it has changed to green. So green means it's on. So now you should wait and see the boot menu and the Windows, if whatever operating system you're using starts, and now you can move from there and switch on your computer and all that stuff. So the aesthetics are good, by the way. You should arrange your computer well, like that, and then you should have all your cables behind, and now the mouse right there. So as you can see my setup, let me show you from a good angle. There it is. The computer is on, and yeah, it's working, as you can see, because it's on. And yeah, as you can see, if I move this camera, everything is going well. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, if you like these types of videos, please subscribe to the channel, and yeah, leave a like and share this video with other people who would like to see it. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, Karekajnr signing out.